What's up, guys? Oh, trying to find the lighting. I know I probably look crazy, so I haven't put my eyebrows on, but it is April 21st. What would have been show day today, but I just wanted to kind of show you guys what my physique looks like at the moment. Granted, we haven't changed my meal plan because obviously I'm not competing today, but I thought it'd be nice to kind of show you what my body does look like. Even if we haven't like cut any carbs down, and we still have 3 weeks to go for our show, so that's really exciting. And today is my best friend's show day, so I can't wait to go see her right now. But I just wanted to kind of show you what my body is looking like, and yeah, let's get to it. I'm gonna put you down right here. Hopefully you can see me. So I kind of did like posing slash physique update. I don't know. I wasn't sure how to really show you my physique aside from posing in it, because that's what it's gonna look like with angles and whatnot. But I guess I can stand straight. I mean, I'm definitely really flat right now, which is insane. And yeah, I mean, my shoulders are rounding out for sure. My arms and my triceps have definitely, you know, put in some work this time around. I feel like I haven't had to put too much work into them. I mean, I've been doing the same workouts, but my shoulders have definitely rounded out a little bit more than what, you know, I'm used to seeing, which is really nice. When it comes to my abs, I mean, I don't know if you can like see the definition that's coming in right here, in my oblique a little bit. Obviously I'm flat, so it's gonna be harder to see it right now. We haven't cut carbs. My glutes have stayed very, very full. Thankfully, I feel like I've had so much growth with my glutes this time around, and with my hamstrings as well. I can definitely tell the difference. That is the physique update. Currently, my weight is at 112.6. 112.5. I want to say 112.6 though, at the moment, so that's good. And that's at my scale at home. I think when I started, my scale read 118.7 or something like that. Definitely over 118. I can't really remember exactly, or maybe it was 120. I don't know why the number 121 keeps coming up, but the weight that you are doesn't matter, guys. That is what you look like. At the end of the day, they're not gonna put you on a scale and be like, oh, you weighed less than that person? Yeah, you're gonna win. Like, it doesn't matter. And even if you're not competing, like, that shouldn't be the focus of your goal, or like you trying to get to your goal. Yeah, it's a nice, you know, tool to use as, you know, kind of like marking your progress or kind of acknowledging it, but you know, you gotta always think there's so many variations that play into your weight by day to day, that it shouldn't be about that. It should be about what you look like. So yeah, it's just, I had to mention that because a lot of people always ask me like, so how much did you weigh on stage your first show? Like, it doesn't matter, just look at the transformation. Like, you're not gonna get to my weight regardless. Like not saying that, you know, you should aim to like, you know, that you won't get to that weight. I'm just saying, like, don't make it your goal like, oh, she weighed this much, I have to get to that so that I can look like this. Like, no, it's not about that, guys. But yeah, that is that. I'm going to finish up getting ready, fill in these brows because boy, they need some work. Anyways, alright guys, I need to finish up getting ready. I need to go eat, prep my meals for the day, and I get to have a burger today. And I get to eat Big Fat Cookie, but yes, alright, I'm gonna stop wasting your time and, you know, go on to the next clip.
Thank you.
Come on, Jill, take it off.
Oh, this is some nice earrings. Very nice. So cute. This one should go on this one, right? Since I have my ring on this.
Whichever one you want. Yeah, I would
Right?
say so.
I put the
And the
smaller
small one on the other side with the ring.
Now.
Alright, I need to elevate my feet. Alright.
Alright guys, so Jessie just competed.
Ooh, I look like a mess.
And she got these 2 medals. She placed first place in both Bikini Novice and Bikini Open. She is a champion for sure. So to reward her, I bought her some Big Fat Cookies, and I'm gonna eat a whole one. She does not want to eat a whole one. She ate a lot already, so I don't blame her. She's having the triple marshmallow peanut butter cup. I'm having that. I'm having the Nutella one. Caramel over here, and then a Biscoff. So, are we eating the same one at the same time? Oh my god. And I know, you guys are like, why are you eating this if you are still gonna compete? Well, we'll explain later. Oh my god. This is so good. No way. Alright guys, I'm gonna finish this. We'll see you later.